everyone, welcome to geography class. In our previous session, we discussed about different factors which affect the location of an industry. Do you want to know where most of the industries are set up? We also want to know what are the different major industries of the world. In today's session, we will try to figure out the answers of these questions. Starting with industrial regions. What are industrial regions? Industrial regions are the areas where there is cluster of industries. Cluster means a number of industries are set up in an area due to some locational advantages. Now understand it with the help of an example. Say for example, there is a area where mining of iron ore takes place. Then near that area an iron and steel industry will be set up. When this industry is set up, its products will be used by the other industries which are based on the iron and steel industries. For example, automobile industry or any other items which are made up of steel. So the same type of industries will set up in an area and that area will become an industrial region. Now, what are the main characteristics of an industrial region? First, industrial region will always have high concentration of factories. A number of factories will be set up close to each other. It has some advantages as well. It will reduce the prices of transportation, or it will also have all the facilities which are needed to start a factory. Majority of population engaged in industrial activity. In the industrial area, most people will be directly or indirectly will be attached to the industrial activities. It means they will be working in the factories. Good transport and communication facility will be there that helps them to transport the raw material and finished good to the markets. Then market for products, the products which are produced by the particular industries, there will be good market for that. They will be the buyers of that product, and also the labor supply will be easily available in that area. Now look at some of the major industrial regions of the world. The first one, Great Lakes Industrial Region. It is located in USA. There are 5 Great Lakes which are interconnected and they serve as a good means of transport. It is an automobile hub. The companies like Ford, etc. located in this region. Then we have the Ruhr-Saar Industrial Region. It is known for steel, for mining, for coal fields, etc. This is actually the mining area. And this area has a very well developed railway and air network. And that has helped to develop this type of area. Then London Industrial Region and Ukraine-Urals Industrial Region, that is mainly known for the production of steel and for it is also there are coal fields. Some of the major industrial regions of India are Mumbai, Pune, that is mainly known for number of industries, engineering, cotton, textile, chemicals, etc. Like Kolkata, Hubli, that is known mainly for the jute industries. Then Bengaluru, Mysore, especially for the information technology, means IT industries. Then Chota Nagpur for the iron steel industries, and Kanpur, Lucknow, this is for leather and other industries. Then Delhi, Meerut, Gurgaon and Faridabad, this also number of industries are set up in these major industrial regions of India. Now we will talk about major industries of the world. There are mainly three types of major industries. First, iron and steel industry. Second, textile industry. And third, IT industry. Let's begin with the iron and steel industry. It is also known as a feeder industry because whatever is produced in the iron and steel industry or the output of the iron and steel industry is used by the other industries as raw material, and that's why we call it a feeder industry. It is also known as the backbone industries because without these industries it is not possible to set up any other type of industries. If we talk about buildings, we require iron and steel. If we talk about automobiles, we require iron and steel. So we can say almost everywhere we require iron and steel. What are the different inputs of iron and steel industries? First, iron ore, coal, limestone, manganese, capital. Capital is the investment or money, labor, transport and whatnot. All these things are the inputs of the iron and steel industries. Then the processing that requires smelting. Smelting is the process of separating the iron from the iron ore. It is done by heating up to a certain temperature. Then refining that, and ultimately we get the product steel as the output that is converted into sheets, wires. Then these sheets are used in the automobile industries, many engineering industries to make number of machines, etc. In the beginning, iron and steel industries were set up near the source of their raw material, because you all know that iron ore is a quite heavy raw material, so it was not so easy to transport it, and at that time in the beginning transportation was also not well developed. Then the iron and steel industries were started setting up near the coal fields. That was the main raw material for these. And now after 1950s, the most of the iron and steel industries were set up near the seaports, so that it became easy for the industries to export the finished good to the other countries and to import the raw material even from the outside. Mainly the iron and steel industries, the major industries of the world are located in Germany, USA, China, Japan and Russia. In India, major iron and steel industries are first Bhilai, that is located in Chhattisgarh, then Durgapur, that is located in West Bengal, then Burnpur, that is also in West Bengal, Rourkela, that is in Odisha, Jamshedpur is in Jharkhand. Memorize all these names because these things will be asked in the map work. That's all in today's lesson. Thank you and have a nice day.